Hello guys, what's up? I hope everybody's preparation is going very well. As you know that I had recently announced a practice batch and yesterday only I finished that practice batch. I'm very thankful to all of you that everybody showed a lot of love for this practice batch. So पहली बार ये मैंने start किया था practice batch का initiative, but that initiative was a real success for me also and for the students also. So yesterday only I finished with that batch and many people are asking me on the message that, sir, considering the time which we have for the exam, should we go for the practice batch right now? See, I'll tell you very frankly, I'll be very frank with you right now. If you are giving both the groups, if you are a CA student, I'm going to tell you for CA, CS and CMA for all the three. But पहले बात करता हूँ CA students का because उनका exam नवंबर में है. If you are going for November exam for both the groups, then in that case you just check your schedule first. If the schedule is very tight or आपको time नहीं है, then in that case I would recommend please do not go for this practice batch. Then you will say, sir, आप ही बोल रहे हो? Yes, definitely मैं बोल रहा हूँ because I don't want to sell my product and misguide you, right? So that's why आपके पास time नहीं है, तो please do not go for this batch. But मेरे पास मेरे revision lectures already recorded है, so you can watch those revision lectures and get benefited out of it. उसके लिए मैंने separate playlist बना दिया है. Now this is in relation to students who are giving both the groups. But if you are falling in the second category student, which means if you are a CA inter student giving only one group, if you are a CS executive student, or if you are a CMA inter student, then in that case I will highly recommend you to go for this batch, because after completing this batch it is my guarantee that you will have comfort in direct tax. तो ये बैच में एग्जैक्टली हुआ क्या है और कैसे मैंने पूरा बैच ड्राफ्ट किया है, मैं आपको शॉर्ट में बताना चाहता हूँ. नाउ पॉइंट नंबर 1, आई हैव डन द डिटेल्ड रिवीजन. along with that I have also taken some practice sessions. अभी वो जो practice sessions है उसमें actually मैंने आपको सिखाया that how to read the question, while reading the question how to recollect the provision, how to start writing an answer, how to present an answer, वर्किंग नोट्स कैसे लिखने हैं, वर्किंग नोट्स कितने लिखने हैं, बिकॉज वर्किंग नोट्स लिखने के लिए बहुत होते हैं बट बेसिस द टाइम विच वी हैव, तो आपने कितने वर्किंग नोट्स लिखे तो आपके लिए सफिशिएंट हो जाएंगे, वो मैंने बताया. Along with that, I have allowed you guys to make some mistakes. In simple terms, before I solve the sum, I was allowing you guys to solve the sum. इससे होगा क्या, you will start implementing the provisions and you will start writing the answer. वो आंसर आने के बाद I used to solve the entire sum. इससे आपको आपकी गलतियां समझती है एंड गलतियों से जो सीख मिलती है वो आप कभी भी नहीं भूलते. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट माय प्रैक्टिस बैच. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिव्यूज व्हिच आई गॉट आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द प्रैक्टिस बैच, आई एम थैंकफुल एंड ग्लैड दैट this batch actually helped you in your studies, and it was a big success for me also and for you also. But before purchasing this batch, I would recommend one thing. Please go to my YouTube channel. उधर 3 डेमो लेक्चर्स मिलेंगे. तो ये प्रैक्टिस सेशन के 3 दिन के डेमो लेक्चर्स मैंने ओपन करके रखे हैं. प्लीज वॉच देम. इफ यू आर कन्विंस्ड एंड इफ यू आर सेटिस्फाइड, देन ओनली बाय दिस कोर्स. Otherwise, please don't buy, because your comfort is very important. And if you are convinced and if you want to enroll for this batch, I have given the link in the description box. Please go there and enroll for yourself as soon as possible. But अगर आपको कुछ भी doubts होंगे, I have given some contact details in the description box. Please reach out to us. We are happy to help you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, see you and take care.